Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Shopify store to TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your Shopify account. So log into your Shopify account, after which you'll be greeted by this home page right here where on the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can get started accessing for your store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with connecting Shopify to TikTok. What we want to do is right here on the left side of the screen, look at the apps option. Clicking the apps option is going to enable you to go ahead and open up your recommended apps and your Shopify store by clicking right here, and it's going to open up this store right here where you can find all the apps that you can use for your Shopify store. And at the top of the screen is going to be a search bar. So we want to use this search bar right here for searching what we need, and what we're going to search for is TikTok. Search for TikTok, input in TikTok right here, and this is now going to give us a list of all the applications related to TikTok that we can use for connecting to your store. And this is the main application made and designed by TikTok for your stores where you can get started connecting it. So as you can see, currently in my country this isn't compatible with my store. If it is, an install button is going to appear right here, so it's going to look like this. If you decide to use any of the rest of the applications, they all work similarly. Basically it's going to open up like this. You'll have the install option right here, and by clicking the install option it's going to proceed to the installation page where you can get started confirming your installation like this. You're clicking the install button and it's going to add the application to your store. So after successfully adding the application, you'll be able to find it right here at the left side screen under the app section. Find the application you want to use, open it up, and get started connecting your TikTok details to your store. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.